Self-casting, we are joking. We had to fight for them, now they are moving. How many Africans are they killing? Enough is enough, we are hurting. Hurting, we are hurting. A word is enough, we are hurting. Hurting, we are hurting. You got to understand, we are hurting.
Cry, muse. Never been to the south cause I was born in the north. The sun rises in the east but here I am in the west. Raising weapons against the black brother. I think it's time to call the Black Panther. You must be out of your mind to call it xenophobia. The government watch you like the suffering malaria. Backing out a tree, I had to take a trip. I'm losing my conscience, I can't even sleep. Watching Great Mandela finally set free. The nation jubilating, Africa was set free. Things got so rough in my homeland, I know. I had to sail south instead to sail west. I'm now paying the price with my blood, I'm paying the price. I'm counting my hope to survive. March 25, another attack. September 1st, another attack. What is the time? Where is the place? Where is the peace? Where is the love? The youth disturbing the peace and killing the peace. Fighting my tears behind my poor eyes. What are you teaching the younger generation? Is this the legacy and history you're gonna leave behind? The burning and the looting is what you think is right. So many years of sacrifice all gone in vain. Unity and diversity, suffering and pain. Can you tell me exactly what you stand to gain? After the bloodshed, your soul is left with pain. An African in Africa is not a stranger. An African in Africa is not a foreigner. A black man in a black country is not an enemy. You were just blinded by hate and monopoly. Killing Africans in your country is so barbaric. Turning your country to slaughterhouse is just a waste. Your soul is so weak that you can hustle to survive. Raising weapons on the street is not the way to survive. You never knew what it took. Nigeria, Guinea, Tanzania, Zambia and Mozambique. So much years to see your redemption. They don't know about Mandela tax in 77. Had to boycott the Olympics in 1979. Fire in Soweto. This is 2019. The world is now watching. Africa is watching. Nigeria is watching. Every human is watching. Say no to xenophobia. Yeah.
Self-casting, we are joking. We had to fight for them, now they are moving. How many Africans are they killing? Enough is enough, we are hurting. Hurting, we are hurting. A word is enough, we are hurting. Hurting, we are hurting. You got to understand, we are hurting.
If you make people realize that you are no threat to them, then people will embrace you.